Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I apply my false lashes. This has been a video that's been very requested for a very long time now, so I'm excited to share with you all my tips and tricks. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. Does anyone else have flyaways? So the first thing I did was I lined the inner rim of my eyelid with MAC Feline. This is just a black eyeliner. You guys can use whatever black eyeliner you have. So I just took the liner and went in the inner rim of my eye, meaning I'm not actually lining on top of my lid. I'm going right underneath my lashes. It definitely makes a huge difference in making them look more natural. So once you guys have applied your black eyeliner to the inner rim, next thing you're going to want to do is curl your lashes. I use the Xoxo eye curler. I love this one. I've been using this for years, and yeah, it just works really well. So you're going to curl both of your eyelashes. And next, you're going to apply your favorite mascara. So I applied the Voluminous mascara from L'Oreal in the Blackest Black, which is my favorite one. Once you guys have applied those steps, you're going to dive into actually applying your lashes. Today, I'm applying the Ardell 113s. The most crucial step of this whole entire process is this step right here. So once you have taken the lashes out of their box, you can use a clean paper towel. You can use the back of your hand as long as it's clean. You can actually use the inside of the little box, something like this. But I'm gonna apply them on the back of my hand, just like this. And I've already put the eyeliner on this lash strip, but what you guys are going to do is you're going to take a black eyeliner and you're going to trace over the band of the lashes, meaning, so this strip right here, there is a clear strip that the lashes are attached to, and if you don't darken it with a black eyeliner pencil, once you apply them onto your eyes, sometimes if you're not doing a more dramatic look, or if you're not tracing over it with a black winged liner or black liner, you will be able to see the clear strip. So I like to darken it with a black eyeliner just to make it look as natural as possible and make it blend into your natural lashes. So we're just going to pencil over this with black liner, just like this, and we're gonna fill that all in. Once you've applied that step, now is the time that we're going to apply our lashes. So I'm going to take the MAC lash applicator. You guys can also take a tweezers. I'm going to do this fairly quickly today, but I'm going to explain all the steps very thoroughly before I do the application of the actual lashes. So I'm going to use this duo adhesive glue. This is just the quick set strip adhesive in white clear, and it dries clear. So once you apply the actual lash glue to the lash strip, you're going to want to pick up the lash strip with your applicator. And this point in time is where you're going to want to place the lash strip pretty quickly, because once the glue dries, you'll have about like 30 seconds to actually get this on your lash. So what I always like to do is I like to anchor the middle of the lash strip first. So I'll push that into the middle. Once that's down, I will pull the end side and I'll go in and pull the inner corner. Once that is all anchored down, what I like to do is I like to take the lash applicator and I like to pinch my natural lashes and the actual lash strip together. So I'm going to apply this now. So now, like I said, we're going to anchor it in the middle of our lash. Next, we're going to pull down on the very end. And this time, I'll actually like to maybe tug on my eye a little bit like this and apply the inner corner. just so I can see that it's actually being placed in the right area. So my next step is to pinch my actual lashes. So once the glue has dried, I'm just going to keep going in with my lash applicator and pinching my natural lashes and the false lashes together to blend them and make them look like they're one. So you're gonna want to pinch the lashes at the base. So you're not gonna pinch them at the actual ends of the lashes. You're gonna pinch them mostly at the base. This step is super crucial to do when the glue is fully dried, because if the glue is not dried yet and you're pinching the glue with your actual lashes, they could get stuck together and it could be kind of a hot mess. So you want to actually kind of make sure the glue is dry. So I'd probably wait another 60 seconds before you pinch them together. And then you want to make sure, if you guys are using this identical pair of this lash applicator, you want to make sure the actual inner portion here does not have any glue inside it. So I would suggest running it through like a damp cloth, or you can either use like a baby wipe to make sure all this in here is clean, because if it is kind of tacky or sticky from the last time you did an application, it will get very messy and these will end up sticking to your actual lash, or maybe ripping your lashes, like your actual lash strip off. So just make sure these are clean inside, but once this is attached and it looks good, I'm going to do the other side and I will be right back. So now that both of the lashes are applied, you guys have a couple options going forward. You guys can definitely use your lash curler to curl them again. I'm going to just curl them a pinch more. So I'm going to do that. I'll be right back. So curling them again with the lash curler definitely ensures that the lashes are like pinched together, and definitely makes them look a lot more natural, I think, because then the band is one with your natural lashes. So I would definitely suggest doing this tip. Next thing I will do is I will kind of brush through them with a spoolie just to make sure they are secured. If you do this part and the lashes start to lift at all, I would just go back in with a little bit more of the lash glue and reapply them. So depending on what look I'm going for, you guys can definitely add more mascara to the lashes. I'm not going to today. I like them kind of looking a little bit more wispy and natural, but you guys can definitely apply more mascara. If you do apply more mascara, I would only apply it at the base. Once you start applying too much mascara to the actual ends of the lashes, it starts to look really clumpy and fake. So I would just, like I said, apply it to the base, meaning I would take your mascara wand and I would go in with the actual tip of your mascara wand. I wouldn't go in like this sideways. I would just go in like a little bit in the inner corners, or the inner like base. So the last step I'm going to do is just apply some bottom mascara. I'm going to be using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash in black. All right, you guys, so this completes my lash application tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from the steps. And yeah, I feel like once you guys kind of get this down, you can apply these in like 2 to 3 minutes, I feel like. So yeah, please comment below if you guys have any questions or if you have any tips and tricks that you guys have been doing that are helpful. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.